tasting time.
Are you going to have some with me?
Yeah, I'll come up with you.
Okay, let's go. Actually, I could have some wine in the back of the Jeep. This is not quite how we wanted to start our morning. However, we had major issues last night. We are at the Monte Cristo,
Australia's most haunted home/house.
We have landed at the chocolate and the licorice factory. Get my words out, I'm so excited. Where are we?
So we're due west of Canberra by about 278 kilometres. It took us about 3 hours to get here.
Yeah, we've landed in Junee. So
Junee.
Junee or Junee. I was told that I could say it Junee. And we're here for a few things, but let's not wait any longer because I'm keen. I just love licorice, and you know Mr. B, he just loves chocolate. So we're going to take you to the chocolate and the licorice factory, find out what's going on in there, exactly what they have, what they don't have. But hey, it looks pretty good, hey?
Yep, let's go.
Yep. Yum, yum. So we're lucky enough to actually be making our own freckles. Look at this. So we've been given 2 bags. Can you tell whose is whose? Like, yeah, Big Breezy's mine. So we're about to go into the freckle hut and make our freckles, and then we've been told they just need to sit for about 20 minutes. So Mr. B's decided that we'll have our hot chocolate and do our shopping, and then our freckles will be ready to collect. That chocolate was amazing. So I had the hot chocolate, dark hot chocolate with the Turkish Delight syrup, and you had
the dark hot chocolate with the Rocky Road syrup.
Yum. And how cool was the freckle making? So the freckle making, if you did want to do that, it's just $5. I'm going to say that, oh, look at that. Ooh, yum. No eating it yet. Stop it now, Mr. B. We got a bag of treats. Mr. B picked all of those out.
And they're not all mine.
No, I said you picked them all out. And what did you say about the testing box?
Well, you always get testing alcohol and testing cheese, so I got the testing chocolate plate.
Yeah, so...
And you're getting 0.
Exactly. So if you're in town, highly recommend stopping here.
Yep.
But that's not the end of us. We're going to see what else we can explore. And I think we've got a fair bit to do around here.
Yeah, you got a full day tomorrow and then the following day.
Yeah.
You'll have to watch to find out what we're doing.
Absolutely. So anyway, let's go back to Big Brucey. He's waiting over here in the car park. You got all your goodies?
Yep.
So we just did a quick loop around town. I think we're going to call it an afternoon. It's getting a little bit cooler. Where are we staying? We are staying at the golf course. We love these little stopovers, don't we?
And as we found out, it was only 2 days ago they had a massive hailstorm roll through here.
Yeah, we've been lucky. We're lucky we missed that.
2 of the vans got damaged. One a minor, one major. But the ground, I'll get Amanda to show you, the ground's a little bit sloppy.
Yeah,
I think it used to be the old bowls course, but
we almost needed four. Well, I'm not going to say 4 low, but yeah, put it this way: Brucey was spitting up some mud, and we went a little bit sideways when we drove in. I'll put the link below. This one I actually found on my camping Bible, Wiki Camps, and it's just $25 a night. It's meant to get down into the minuses tonight. So yes, we have power and we will be running the heater. There are amenities here, and if you want to play golf, then play away. We're the only ones here tonight, so we are just going to chill out and take you guys with us tomorrow, because we've definitely got a few things planned, and you'll see us in the morning. This is not quite how we wanted to start our morning. However, we had major issues last night. We have blown our circuit in the Yeti van, completely lost power. So we had to run the extension cord from the main power source at the showgrounds. And Terry, who's the caretaker, he, amazing, lent us a little fan heater, because long story short, basically the heater crapped itself, it circuited us out, and now we are at Harvey Norman's in Temora, which is around about 40 minutes from where we're staying, and we are here to get us a new heater. So I didn't finish telling you guys, because we've had the power switch trip out, we actually need to get a new one fitted by an electrician. We can't find any electricians in Junee, so I've lined one up for tomorrow. So tonight we'll be running the new heater from the extension cord, but not connected through to the van. So it's lucky that we have also our LED lights, so we're just running on our battery capacity tonight, which is definitely full in any case. And yeah, 12 volt. And tomorrow when we set off, we are heading down to Wagga, and I've already lined up a Sparky to get that done, so all good there. So we will now continue on our adventures for today.
If I could find a word to make these end, a single word that made your heart open, I could have been your good friend until the end. If I could find a word to make peace end, a single word that made your heart open, wish I could been your good friend until the end. I wanna look back and laugh when I'm older.
How beautiful is this? I am in the middle of the canola fields. So excited to be doing the canola trail. So we left, where were we? We left Temora. We took the canola trail. I will pop the details below with the link. This is only flowering from August to September. So what happens is they basically plant the seeds in the beginning of April, then they grow, and then August, September is the best time. Then heading into October, they all wilt, and then they get harvest. And I've just learnt that 1/3 of all of this region supplies all the canola to the New South Wales. It is massive. It's absolutely stunning. We are heading into the town of Kulman. I've heard there's something really good to check out in there. I'm sorry, I'm not very good with the names, but I'm still learning along the way. It is a whole trail that you can do. Dave's just put it into the GPS in Big Brucey. How good was the drone footage? Absolutely stunning. And all the bees, the smell, it's just divine. So I'm so glad that we found this, and luck is on our side today. We've got a beautiful contrast with the blue sky and the perfect yellow canola. So let's continue and see what else we can find. I've actually got canola on my jeans and a bit of my shoes. Ah, look what we've found. We've found the Kulman Cheese Company. Oh, it'd be rude not to stop in. Let's go check it out. So I have met Jen, and she's going to give us just let us know what's happening at the cheese factory, what happens, what the process is, how long you've been here for, and what happens.
Okay,
what can you tell me?
I've been here since 2019. I took over from our original cheesemaker Barry, and previous to that I was out at Tarago in Junee South in Victoria, making 6 cheeses. Pretty boring, got sick of it, and then I thought I'll just come here, and now I'm making over 21.
21 cheeses?
Yeah,
oh my gosh.
yeah.
That's amazing.
So we range from hard native flavoured cheeses to 2 different varieties, blues, then we go to wash rinds, and then we go to our fresher cheeses, our bries. We do a Merlot brie, coffee brie, and then our regular brie picked up a bronze at the World Cheese Awards in Italy in 2020.
That is so good.
So exciting.
Absolutely. Like, for such a small town, like, that is so much cheese, guys. You guys have got to get here and try this cheese.
And then we make feta, labneh, and quark, which is a German style cream cheese.
Excellent.
Delicious.
Woof. Sounding good. So I'm going to sample some cheeses, but I think you've got a few things to show me.
Guys will mature for probably, I like to leave them for 4 months before they really develop a really good blue flavour. So it's currently selling this lot here, that one's the next one, this one will be the next one, and then we'll make another batch next week. So we're constantly trying to keep the shelves full, get it out to that 4 months, maximum flavour, and then it's best for the consumer. That's the base at the moment.
Are you hearing that, guys? So basically, all those little bougie delis and cafes,
ask for Cooloman cheese.
Absolutely. That needs to be on your table and definitely on your cracker. And it's not going to fall off your cracker because it's so damn good. Ooh, these remind me of cacti.
Oh.
Yeah, they're looking a little bit prickly.
So these guys are my soft blues. So it's a double cream soft blue. So think of brie with blue through it.
Yep.
These we made this week. So on Monday we will take them out of the hoops. We will wax them, and then we'll put holes in them, which is called spiking.
That's the cactus bit, guys. You know I'm obsessed with cactus.
So where a hole goes through into that cheese, that's where the blue mold grows. Blue mold is aerobic, so it needs oxygen to grow. So where you put a hole in, that's where the blue vein comes through.
Oh,
yeah, so that's why it's blue vein.
Yeah.
So it's a bit of a process. These guys are anywhere between 2.5 to 3 months before they're ready to go. But when they're good to go, you cut them open and they're creamy and gooey and absolutely amazing.
Wow. I love them. A little bit of blue with a little bit of a date, and sometimes a little bit of a frozen grape. Ooh. I don't really know if that's a thing, but it's my thing.
Well, I think it's tasting time.
Are you going to have some with me?
Yeah, I'll come out with you.
Okay, let's go. Actually, I could have some wine in the back of the Jeep.
There's some wine in the front.
Okay, let's go. I'm going to follow Jen and we're going to make our way back to the front.
Cool.
Crawley did was he knew with the railway being here, if he built this beauty here, which we're going to go into, the Junee Hotel, he knew that the people would come, they'd come to the hotel, they'd stay, they'd get their food, they'd get their beers, and guess what? He made money, and it has that he basically owned the monopoly of the main street, which it's a pretty long street. But
as you can see over there, one of the buildings actually has his name on it still.
It does. It's got Crawleys. You haven't heard the last of the Crawleys because we've got somewhere else really special to take you. It's not going to be today, but where are we going now, Mr. B? We are going over to check out Christopher Crawley's Junee Hotel. I'm keen because I saw a sign when I jumped out of Brucey. It says happy hour, 4 till 6, and guess what? She's 10 past 4.
Isn't it called the Jubilee Hotel?
The Junee? I think it's the Junee Jubilee, or maybe it's just the Junee. Anyway, how good was the cheese as well? Thanks to Jen. I'll drop all the details and the links below. Highly recommend that place. It was absolute blowing me away, and her passion for the cheese, gotta say, what an afternoon we had. So it's time to hit the pub now for a bevy. What are you gonna have?
Raspberry cordial, lemonade.
Oh, sounds good. Are we gonna have a countery?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna have a look anyway. We're the first ones here. How are you feeling?
Oh, yeah.
Should be
So,
good.
it's a question of how I'm feeling after being in there.
Yeah, we'll have to wait and see, hey?
You're a non-believer.
I'm a believer. What are you on about? She said that she'll have a chat with me when I get back, if I get back. So, we are at the Monte Cristo.
Australia's most haunted home/house.
Yeah, exactly. But you know what? Hang on, Mr. B. You know what? We're done with this episode. So you know what? If you want to know what's happening after this, you're going to have to watch our episode on the Monte Cristo. So guys, we hope you've loved Junee as much as we have.
It's Junee.
Junee.
Not Jenny.
It's not Jenny, Junee, Junee. We've had a great time here. We will see you at the Monte Cristo if you want to watch that full episode. But remember, like, subscribe, tell your friends.
Have fun, go on adventures.
Yeah.
Number one, be safe.
See you next episode.